In this video, I'm going to talk about the Ashton Woods new construction in Duluth, Georgia called Encore. And we're going to get started right now. What's up, you guys? This is Tim Trevathan with Trevathan Homes, powered by VPR, and we are here to talk about the highly sought after new construction by Ashton Woods called Encore. And this is huge. A lot of people have been talking about it because it is a big community, over hundreds of houses in the heart of Duluth, Georgia, and it is single family and townhomes that will be available. Roughly 400 single family and about 100 townhomes. Now, as of right now, are you ready for this? The new construction single family homes are officially for sale. Yes. And in this video, I'm going to go over the details related to the floor plans, the pricing, and the features of these single family homes. Later, I'm going to do a video on the townhomes when they get released. So make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date on all the information. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to subscribe because I cover content related to new construction all over Gwinnett, Forsyth, and Fulton counties and the rest of Metro Atlanta. And if you want to know more about the process of buying new construction in Georgia, you can check out my other videos where I give snippets of information and insight and the tips and tricks on how to secure a sale or a contract about new construction in Georgia. I have people moving here all the time contacting me saying, Tim, I'm looking to move to Georgia, can you help me? So if that's you, make sure to check out my contact info below. You can get a hold of me any which way you can, whether it's through phone, text message, Instagram, or other forms of social media like this. So I'll be happy to talk with you. Hope you guys enjoy the next video after this.